Good morning, students. Today we are going to do an activity which is for grade 10 students. In this activity, we are going to determine the focal length of a concave mirror. For this, we need an optical bench, a concave mirror, object. We are using the LED of a torch, which is a glowing LED. Look this. Now the optical bench carries graduated scale. Look the reading here. This is a graduated scale. Are you able to see? I think yes, this one, these dotted lines, these are the readings on the optical bench. Or instead of that graduated scale, we can make use of this big size ruler. It is 1 meter long, 100 centimeter, that is. All the readings will come in centimeter only. Now let's see the observation table. Here, this is serial number. This is the position of the mirror, distance of the object, distance of image formation. U is the distance of the object from the concave mirror. This is U. V is the distance of the image, that is the sharp image or point form on the screen. Now this paper we will use as a screen. So students, this is our concave mirror and this is our object, that is the lighting LED inside a torch. Let's see the position of the mirror first. So here we are keeping it as 0. It is initially at 0 position. So record the reading. Mirror position is 0 centimeter. 0 centimeter is the mirror position. Now position of the object, that is the LED inside the torch. Here our LED lies, right? So in this direction we are moving downward and just see the reading here on this scale. Here it is 55 centimeter. 55 centimeter. Record the reading. Distance of the object is 55 centimeter. Now distance of the image formed. Bring this screen just in front of the mirror and just see the sharp point formation. Look, at this position the sharp point formation take place. Look here, look here. Just wait. This sharp point formation take place. Moves down at this position is the reading or the distance of the image formation, the point at which this paper is touching the scale. Okay, let's see this. This is coming 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter, right? Record the reading. The distance of the image formed is 30 centimeter away from the mirror. Okay, now U is the distance of the object from the mirror is 55 centimeter and V is the distance of the image from the mirror is 30 centimeter. Now we left with the calculation part. Now this is the mirror formula. 1 upon F is the focal length is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. U and V are very clear. U is the distance of the object and V is the distance of the image. Or F focal length is equal to U multiply V divided by U plus V when we solved it. Okay, now put the values. 55 multiply by 30, 55 plus 30, 1650 divided by 85, so it is coming 19.41 centimeter. This is the focal length of the mirror. Okay, thank you students. So right here the focal length is which is almost equal to 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is the focal length. Okay, thank you students.